Wine Guardian offers a range of products to fit just about any cellar size. So we have products from very, very small cellars that might only have a couple hundred bottles under a set of stairs or, small wine wall, all the way up to 40,000 bottle cellars that might be multi-room, couple thousand square feet. I can't think of an application that we don't have a product to fit right now. We're actually able to manage quality because we assemble all of the products here.
Every zip tie, every screw, every little thing, essentially matters in the end.
I love what I do. I've been doing QC for 30 years. I don't let anything out of here that I don't feel is good for the customer.
We test all of our products. So we do vacuum decay tests, we do pressure tests. There's a whole series of steps we do. Even sub-assemblies are bench tested before they move into a unit. But in the end of the day, our job is to protect the wine. And yes, the value of that wine is quite high. Wine Guardian is a division of Air Innovations. Air Innovations builds products for the military, for aerospace, semiconductor, homeland security, lots of high-tech niche market applications. The benefit to Wine Guardian is technology. For us to do work in the semiconductor industry or in the aerospace industry, there's extremely high demands on quality. There's extremely high demands on precise cooling. We control temperature in the semiconductor industry to plus or minus 0.03 of a degree Celsius. So that's what our engineers are used to dealing with. The exact same engineers are designing Wine Guardian products.
Wine Guardian has a worldwide network of distribution partners. So in several dozen countries around the world, you can find a very well-trained, qualified distribution partner. In some cases, those are companies which will build an entire wine room for you, and they are a very good place to start the discussion.
On our website is a heat load program that a customer could put in all the inputs of their cellar and get some feedback on what kind of units would work in that application.
When you call us, you're getting a person. We have a great service team that wants to talk to people, wants to solve your problems.
We have a lot of talent here, and that talent takes pride in what they do.
I think what sets Wine Guardian apart is the passion that we put into our products. We are considerate of how we design the products, not only from an aesthetic standpoint, but also from a functionality standpoint.
Wine cellars are very, very creative, right? They just vaulted ceilings and glass. It's just unbelievable what people come up with. And to be able to be a part of that dream for them and help them solve those challenges and still maintain perfect conditions for wine is really exciting. If you're in the caves in Bordeaux, they will be naturally 55 degrees year-round high humidity. That's what we are replicating. Wine Guardian's goal is to replicate old world cellars that were naturally existent in, deep in the underground in Bordeaux or anywhere else in the world that they were digging cellars deep.
What we're really selling you here is insurance. You have a wonderful collection, but consider it an investment. And you want that investment to continue to maintain its value, perhaps even grow in value. So why don't you also get the very best in refrigeration technology to protect your investment in wine?